Lesson 25, Session 3, page 587. Problem number 2 says, Boom says he does not have to use subtraction to solve 80 minus 60. He says he can think 60 plus what is 80? Is he right? How do you know? Turn to your partner or your parent or a big brother or a sister and ask them what they think. Boom says he does not have to use subtraction to solve 80 minus 20. He says he can think 60 plus what is 80. Is he right? How do you know? Well, let's look at our symbols. This is a minus sign. This is a plus sign. So what do we know about subtraction and addition? Well, let's write this up here. A part plus a part is a whole. 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 What else do we know? Whole minus a part equals a part. Okay, so let's write these out. He says he doesn't have to subtract to get an answer. He can add instead. Well, let's solve it both ways. So here we have 80 minus 60 equals blank. What do we know about the minus sign? This is the minus sign. Does this match the minus sign, the plus? No. Does this? Yes. So we know that this is whole minus a part. Whole minus a part equals a part. A whole minus a part equals the part. Okay, so we have that labeled. Let's write the equation for addition. Here we have 60 plus what equals 80. 60 plus what equals 80? Look at your symbol. Plus symbol, that tells me everything around it is going to be a part. A part plus a part equals the whole. Now I'm going to compare. Actually, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a number bond. Up here I have my whole, my part, and my part. What is the whole? Well, the whole over here is 80, whole minus. Over here, my whole is 80. Part plus part is the whole, 80. So my whole is 80 on both sides, right? The part that I know is 60 for the subtraction, 80 minus 60. That's a part I know. And 60 for the addition problem, 60 plus blank equals 80, is also the part I know, right? So I have 60 and I can count up to the whole, right? 60 is the part I know. and I can count up to the whole. Let's see, I'm going to draw a number bond and think of it like groups of 10. If I have 6 ones and I have 8 as my whole, I can count on from 6 up to 8, right? 6 tens plus how many more tens equals 8 tens? 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, right? So if I had 1 10 here and 1 10 here, that would be 2 10, 6, 7, 8. So 2 tens would be the difference. If I wanted to count by tens, I could do that. 60, 70, 80. How many 10 sticks did I draw there? 2. What is the value of those 2 10 sticks? 20. So 60 plus 20 equals 80. 80 minus 60 is going to have the same answer, 20. So how do I know that I can add instead of subtract? Because they have the same parts and the same whole. Problem number 3. Jose counts 30 fish. Kai counts 50 fish. How many more fish? How many more than? How many more fish does Kai count than Jose? How many more than? That means subtract. That means one of these numbers is going to be the greater number or the total that I would subtract from. How many more than? How many less than? Mean subtract, mean subtract. How many fewer? How many less? What's the difference? Mean subtract. So if I can make my number bond like this. What is the number that is greater? Is 30 greater or is 50 greater or bigger? Right, 50 is greater. So that one is going to be my whole. 30 is going to be the part that I know. And blank will be the part that I do not know. So 30 up to 50, we can count on from the part you know up to the whole, right? But you can also think about it as if I have 3 tens plus how many more will give me 5 tens equals 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 3 and I need to get up to 5. So 3, 4, 5. How many tens did I draw here? This is my missing part. Right, 2 more tens. 3 tens plus 2 tens equals 5 tens. Or you could draw the whole, which they've already drawn for us right here. And we have 5 tens. We could circle the part we know. We're circling 3. How many are left? 3 tens and 2 tens equals 5 tens. What's the value of 5 tens? Let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Right? 50 here. So 50 minus 30 is 20. Yes, 20 more. Kai has 20 more fish. Last problem. Find 60 minus 20. Think about it as tens and ones, right? Let's think about it like this. What is 6 minus 2? Or you could do 2 plus what equals 6? You can make your number bond. 2 is the part you know. Blank is the missing part, and 6 is the whole. So you can count on from the part you know up to the whole, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 plus 4 equals 6. So 2 tens plus 4 tens is 6 tens. Here, they're wanting me to subtract. I'm starting with 6 tens. I'm taking away 2 tens, and I get 4 tens. Here, 6 is the whole minus. In my addition problem, 6 is the whole also. 2 was the part that we knew. 2 was the part that we knew. The missing part was 4. 60 minus 20 gives me 10, 20, 30, 40 left.